Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube video on Instagram. So there are several ways to share a YouTube video on Instagram, depending on where you want to post it. So to share a video to your Instagram story, so open YouTube, then sign into your account. Next, find the video. Once you find it, scroll down and look for the share button and click on it. Now in here, look for Instagram logo or icon and click on it and follow the following prompts. Now, if you can't find Instagram logo, what you can do is click copy right here to copy the link. Then open Instagram and create a story. You can then add photo, screenshot, or background. Then tap the sticker icon and click link. Then paste the YouTube video link and customize the sticker. Then post it to your story. Next, if you want to share it to your Instagram post or reel, so to do that, so again, copy the link right here on YouTube, then go to Instagram, then click create right here on the left side and click post. So you can download the video if you own it or have permission, then click select from computer. So upload it as a normal video post or reel. So let's click select from computer, for example, and choose this video right here and click open.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So click next again. So you can add captions. You can mention that the full video is available on YouTube, so you can't make clickable links in caption, something like that. Now, if you want to share it to your friend, like a direct message, so once you copy the link on YouTube, open Instagram, click messages in the bottom right corner, then select the message and paste the link into the message. So click paste and click submit to send it. So the recipient can tap the link to watch the video on YouTube. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.